Hi guys, so this is an analysis update on gold, guys. What am I expecting on gold? Before we do today's analysis, we're gonna do a quick recap on gold. Right, you can see if you watch my previous analysis on gold, I was predicting gold to push to the downside. So I think gold was around this area reacting. I said there is a possibility for gold to react around this area right here, which is the 38.2% fib level, right? And I also say that if it doesn't react around this area, then there is a possibility of it coming up here to react around 23.6% fib level right here, right? And another thing again is I have this. I think this one I did record this reaction right around this area right here because there's a possibility that gold might react around that area before tanking to the downside, because sometimes gold reacts around like the imbalance, half of an imbalance, and that's where I got the 2661.528, sorry, 562 from. It might react around that area right here before tanking to the downside. So my initial thoughts right here. So right now I think I'm just gonna let's reanalyze gold based on the current market. I still think we might still react around that area right here, but let's just see. So let's just redo gold so that it's easier. I still think we're gonna go there to react though, but let's just see how the market is on a bigger time frame, right? So let's see. I'm thinking let's just refine. Mm, okay. So just like like to do top down analysis, let's go to my weekly time frame and let's see what gold is doing. Mm, an uptrend on gold, because we can see if I go to more smaller time frame, we can see we sort of have this break of structure with this beautiful candlestick. So there's a possibility there's just retracing for it to hit another high to break the previous structure. There is a possibility. Let's go to my daily time frame and see. Just like what I think it is, right? So just like I said, we broke the structure right here, right? It's coming right down here. So you know how the market moves, the market doesn't just move straight. We had this break of structure too as well, right? Break internal structure, break of structure, came here to retest the imbalance and continue to push up, right? So I think gold is kind of on like kind of downtrend based on how we are seeing for like the retracement. We know something like this, like is an impulse, a correction, something like this, to hit this area right here for it to continue to push to the upside. I think that's what gold is doing. This is the daily time frame, like I mentioned. So to we can take both trades. So let's go to my 4 hour time frame and see what the market is doing. Definitely, I think I see a sort of like a. Let me just delete this. I don't want it to be crowded. Mm-hmm. Okay, definitely a down move on gold, right? We can see that the internal structure was broken. We have this break of structure, right? We also have this break of structure right here too. We broke structure here. hmm So I think gold might just push up a little bit to fill in this block right here for it to push down, right? And let me see if I use my fib from point A to B. Yeah, definitely you can see that. Mm, We can see that gold has not hit the negative 27% fib level, and most of the time the market reacts around negative 27% fib level, which is also around the other block. So certainly, let's see, right, okay. So certainly, gold is gonna sort of like a push up to the upside for it to continue to maybe to around this area. This would be my first target right here. Then this first other block right here will be a good one for gold to sort of like react on, then continue to push to the downside, right? And that will be my negative 27% level and push down. But don't forget this other block right here hasn't been filled as well. So if gold does not respect this level right here, then if this becomes invalid, then I'm looking forward to the upper order block, which also aligns with my negative 6 component percent level. And that's how I just do the market one step at a time, guys. So let's see. We can I just go more to the downside just to reframe, right? We can see just to continue to reframe. Definitely gold is gonna sort of push more to the upside. Let's go to my okay. So let's see, you can see based on like our internal structure, we have this breaker structure here. Then we have this break of the previous one right here, right? So we have that breakout structure as well. So let's just give us that we are gonna come and like push to the upside, right? Let's go to a smaller time frame and see. There's nothing much. Apart from there is, I can draw a mini other block that gold might come to, which is around my 38.2% fib level right here, for it to sort of like react from before tanking to the upside to around this area right here. So we can see that we have a change of character here, right? We have a change of character here. Let me get to 15-minute time frame and see. We have a change of character here. Then we have a breakout structure here. So I'm saying gold to push to the downside to possible come around that area, right? So we can see right here. So because we're in that day traded, so I'm just gonna analyze the market one step at a time, just like I mentioned, right? So let's see. I think gold might come a little bit to react around this area for it to tank to the upside. Okay, I think that is good. There is this other block right here, right? So I think we broke the structure. Gold is going to sort of come around this area for it to push to the downside. There is also an imbalance that needs to be filled right around here, which make it let's see, which make it valid as well. So based on this around this area right here. This will be, let's sort of refine this from here to here. So I think based on my quick analysis, we're continuing to break structure, right? So I think it's going to continue to push to the downside. So my analysis right now on gold is definitely a down move for intraday traders. So we might, let's see, come here to react around. Okay, right. It's my come here to react around this area right here, then come to this TP. This will be my TP for down move on gold. Okay, or we might, let's see, react around half of this imbalance right here. Okay, which is around this area right here. So expect gold to possibly react either there or come here to react for it to push to the downside to our TP area right here. So that is my quick analysis on gold, guys. Hope you guys find it helpful. If you do, please don't forget to comment, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you in my next analysis. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.